Can it be seen now? Can you see my PowerPoint?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you.
Clearly.
Thank you. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity. So, I'm presenting my team here for our paper titled Website Utilization as an Information System for X-Beauty Products Using Scrum Method. So the agenda that will be brought today is there are background and purpose, methodology, activity, and the final one is conclusion. So we come to the background first, yeah. So this one is the product of the X Beauty. So I'm talking about the background. It is also actually related to the pandemic, yeah. So we need to create something new. We make a new product, yeah, which is coming from the Indonesian people, yeah, made by Indonesians. So nowadays, more and more users of beauty products are not only concerned with quick results. Users are generally smart enough to find information about products with ingredients that have the best quality and minimize harmful long-term side effects. This is why the production of XPT does not include harmful cosmetic ingredients such as mercury. Then it's also awareness of the importance of promotion and sales is also considered. Yeah, considering that its product brand has just emerged as the work of Indonesian, thus making this product management take steps in to introduce and market this product through digital marketing. So moving forward, related to digital marketing, we have the purpose here. Okay, number one is website to support the delivery of information to customer and increase the sales. Okay, just a moment. Then next is the use of website will direct the automatic transaction process and minimize service costs in order to improve the quality of a product offered, as well as increase the speed of service customer. Then, looking at the wearesocial.com, it is a creative agency, worldwide, headquartered in United States. Looking at their survey, telling you about the data, data on internet users Indonesia in January 2020, it was around 202 million users. So it means around 73 something percentage of the total population in Indonesia. That we already know that it's almost 300, yeah, but exactly number is around 270 million people. So 170 million social media users, or 61 percent of the total population of Indonesia, and 87% people bought products through online with any type of devices. Yeah. So that's why the X Beauty Management also conducts promotion and sales through social media channels, which will eventually lead to the website as transaction tools. Okay, and then in developing this website, we will use the agile methodology with the Scrum model process. The advantage of this methodology, this Scrum, is that it can produce products according to the needs of the users. So we are coming to the methodology. As previously mentioned, that the methodology is Scrum. Scrum methodology is so familiar in information system world, for projects, for IS project. So it's starting from planning. You can see in the screen that this product owner, there are three actors of the Scrum, product owner, Scrum Master, and also developer. So we are starting from the product owner. So the product owner gets prioritized wish list or backlog. This backlog comes from the user stories, yeah. So the user tells stories to the product owner, and then product owner divide them into the backlog. Then the project team creates sprint backlog, yeah. After that, we coming to the execution process, yeah. So the teams have daily scrum meeting. So the sprint will have 2 to 4 weeks, one sprint, each. And this one is controlled and managed by the daily scrum, led by the Scrum Master, which is it happens only usually 15 minutes. Yeah, there are only three questions: What have you done? What is the issue? And what will you do next? So every day those questions will be questions same to the team. Then, sprint result in the usual product will be potentially shippable product increment. Then it has the monitoring and controlling, which I mentioned before. It is in daily Scrum. That is 15 minutes. Yeah. Then it will be repeated. Yeah, from 1 to 4 and after until complete. After that, finally there will be closing for sprint review and sprint retrospective. Next, the activity, as I mentioned before in the methodology, yeah, this is the product backlog. This product backlog comes from the user story. So there will be stories from user, yeah. Let's say from 1 to 9, or can be 1 to 20, or 1 to 5 only. It depends on the needs of the users. So here we have 9 user stories. I mentioned only 2, yeah, because it will be take long. So for example, for number 1, as a web application user, I need to know the information about the product. So whenever the user say this, means the product owner should provide something to represent that thing. So it comes up with the homepage. So this XBT product will have the homepage. Then this homepage, it will be done by the developer. We say that this one is developer one. It will be done around more or less, yeah, about 60 hours. Okay, it is the estimation. It could be less or more, depends on the speed and the skill. Yeah, but this one is we can take the average, normal average. Yeah. Then the second sample, number 2, is as a prospective stockist, because this one is focused on the stockist. So the user coming from the stockist side will say, I can log in and see a summary of all sales, including turnover. So here, the developer thinks about how the stockist can go inside. So it can be created with for a dashboard. Yeah. So it is stockist login into the dashboard. So it's about 26 hours. Okay, and so on until the user story finish. Okay. Then this backlog, yeah, will be divided into sprint. Yeah, we have 5 to 6 sprint here. The first sprint is for the X Beauty homepage. This sprint, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 job description, which should be done by the developer. That is only for one homepage of the X Beauty. Yeah, I can take example because the sprint will be like this. Yeah, all about the list. So we need to know the concept first. We need to know how to do. So the example here, we can take number 1 is design and implementation of the XBT system architecture. This one is about the architecture. It's quite different, yeah, but we have to have this one. Then the other step is users can see the overlook of XBT homepage. It will take around 24 hours for the developer to build it. Then the other one is stockist can log or log into the account. Yeah, it will take around 4 hours, etc., etc. Okay, so I will show you first the architecture and then the look of beauty homepage. Yeah, you can see here the system architecture. There are 2 sides, yeah, front end and back end. Front end consists of the web browsers, which are the users that use this browser to see or hold the homepage of the XBT, and also inside it if you are stockist or reseller. Yeah. Then it will be accessed through internet. Then this internet is coming from the back end, which is the source is coming from the web and application server. And then, of course, there will be the database, yeah, which is centralized in database server. Then next, it is the look or the display of the XBT homepage. Here actually, this is not two pictures. Actually, it's one, yeah. But because of this one is very long, so I divide it into 2. If you see the homepage in the website, it will be you can scroll, go to the down, yeah. Okay, then we can go, after this we go to the sprint 2. There will be stockist login and manage profile. It's all same yeah for every sprint yeah. The difference is the steps or the job description. So for this stockist login yeah, for sprint 2 I'm dividing into two backlog here, the stockist login and the manage profile. And each of this backlog there will be job description. And each of job description there will be estimated working hours for the developers. Okay. Then finally we come up to the total here. Next, and this is the view, the display, the look of the dashboard of the stockist. Yeah, it comes from here, this one, the stockist login from the job description. Then it turns into this display. All right. Then we come to the orders and turnover. Yeah, it's same. There will be order page, there will be turnover page one by one, and this is the job description. On and on like this, we come to the sprint 4. It is about manage storage and products. And then also sprint 5, it is about track order and order complaint. If there is complaint from the reseller or the customer, then we need to have this facility. Yeah, so it is made by the developer within 24 hours working hours. Yeah. So after all those things done, it will be come to the sprint review and seen by the users, and users will review. It is of course already been tested yeah in the sprint yeah, in the sprint circle. So finally it is testing, it is shown something like final result to the users, okay, to the end users. Then finally after everything is done, then we come up to the conclusion of this paper. So, based on the description in the previous chapter, it can be concluded that the application of Scrum can produce a sales system for X-Beauty products to perform the use of the website as a product sales information system. And meanwhile, from function side, yeah, stockists can be helped to increase sales by getting information from the website and increasing sales through this information system. And this is the references. I have 14 references. Then finally, we are coming to the end slide of thank you. Thank you everyone for your attention.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Ms. Rian, for your presentation. So maybe we can go to the next presentation.